Texas Auto Insurance. Driving without automotive insurance has become too much of a commonplace occurrence in the United States. Drivers do not realize how much they are rolling the dice every time they operate a vehicle without having coverage. InsuranceOnTheWeb.com works to make it easy for you to obtain the insurance you need quickly and easily. A new program for Texas auto insurance enforcement has made this practice even more risky in the Lone Star State. With average premiums of $1,524 in 2010, cheap car insurance is not much of a reality in Texas. This figure is slightly above the national average, but the good news is that it represents a decrease from the average Texas rate in 2009. Since coverage is rather expensive, drivers may opt to go without it, hoping they would not be caught, which is a huge mistake, especially in light of recent changes. Texas has developed a program that enables officers of law enforcement and other users designated by the state to immediately verify that a vehicle is properly insured. Those who do not have coverage, who provide fraudulent documentation, or who drop coverage after receiving valid coverage cards should beware. Texas Sure aims to reduce the number of uninsured motorists, a figure that is currently equivalent to 20% of all vehicles. On January 1, 2011, Texas will increase its mandatory liability coverage from 25, 50, 25 to 30, 60, 25. Drivers will need to have liability coverage in levels of $30,000 liability per person and $60,000 of liability bodily injury per accident, as well as $20,000 in liability property damage coverage. When a driver purchases a Texas auto insurance policy using InsuranceOnTheWeb.com or other options, the carrier is responsible to report the coverage details to the state. Drivers who have the required levels of Texas auto insurance are safe when it comes to Texas Sure. There is nothing they need to do regarding notification, they only need to keep their policy active and hold at least minimum coverage. All other drivers should take action and use InsuranceOnTheWeb.com to either get or increase their coverage, to avoid being caught by Texas Sure. Go ahead to request your free Texas auto insurance quote online with InsuranceOnTheWeb.com.